Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to be showing you how to make what I call power juice. Please don't go away. Thank you. Now we have the three major fruits that makes up the recipe for our juicing that form an acronym A, B, and C. A for apple, B for beets, and C for carrots. Now, if you look at the sink, we also have ginger and we have lemon. Now, I refer to those two as additives because they are not actually the major, part of the recipe. Okay. Now, I enjoy using green apples, as my main apple for this recipe. Slice my apple in a way that it can easily go into my cold juicer. Now, you might have heard before that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, that is true because regular consumption of apple helps the body with antioxidants, which neutralizes free radicals. It is also a very safe fruit for diabetics, people that don't like sugar, and has a protective effect on nerve cells. An apple also help to keep heart disease at bay. It keep heart disease far from you, and it aids in weight loss for those that love to you know lose weight, or if you want to manage your weight. Apple is a very good fruit, and that is also known to have anti-cancer properties. Apple contains many vitamins. We have calcium and then potassium and magnesium, which are very key when it comes to dealing with high blood pressure. Now, our next fruit there we have beets. Beet is a powerhouse for nitrites, nitrite and potassium, and those two helps to lower blood pressure. Now, if you're someone that add beets to your fruit juicing regimen, you're going to experience a good change in your blood pressure management. And then beets also have been known to slow down progression of dementia for such patients, and of course, it prevents the onset of dementia if taken regularly. And then for some persons that have suffered heart attack before, it may help to improve your muscle power. Now, this can be seen in athletes or muscle builders. Beet juice is their companion. And our third fruit, carrot is what I would love to, talk about. I'm sure you know that carrots, aid vision. This is the most popular health benefit of carrots. It helps with the eyes, help with the eyes. But it may interest you to know that carrot slows down skin aging. It also promotes weight loss, and it also reduce the risk of cancer. It improve your brain health, and is good for your heart. So you see, then these three fruits you just mentioned now, they have two things in common. They all help with your heart health and they help with your brain health, which are two major organs in the body. To get the best of your fruits, to get more juice from your fruit, it's advised to use what we call the cold press juicer. And there are several brands, but in this video I'm using the Kenwood cold press juicer. I actually don't really know what model is this, but it's very effective. I've had it for a while now and I love it. So first I try juicing my apple, then it's going to follow by my carrot, so that the juice in the apple can help squeeze out the juice also in the carrot, because carrot is not as juicy among the three fruits. Then my apple, carrot, and then beets, then follow with my lemon, and then ginger. Okay, now I'm going to be talking about lemon, why we juice our fruit. Now, lemon, as we all know, is loaded with vitamin C. We also know that it promotes weight loss, and most importantly, you may have noticed that you may have noticed that lemon is most common in juice recipe. There are a lot of juice recipe you come across, whether on Instagram, whether on Facebook or YouTube here. Most times there is lemon fruit in that recipe. This is because it protects the kidneys by preventing kidney stones from forming. Now, if you are someone that like juicing grains, there's always a fear that we have much oxalate in most of our dark leafy green vegetables, and oxalate can cause kidney stones. So most times when you add lemon to your recipe, with your juice recipe, whether it's greens or this very one, they help to cleanse out your kidney, help to prevent those kidney stones from forming. And also lemon serve as a preservative to your fruit juice. If you're one that like making large batch at once, and you may not be able to consume everything same day, it's okay to add a dash of lemon or a whole lemon or half a lemon inside your fruit juice. It helps serve as preservative. And of course, ginger is an anti-inflammatory root. It's very, very important and anti-inflammatory. Now it also improves blood pressure when taken over time. Now there is a sixth fruit that I did not mention, which is watermelon. Now the reason why I didn't mention at the beginning is that it wasn't planned truly, but you see, my fruit juice didn't give me the exact volume that I wanted, and I wanted volume. So instead of pouring water inside, watermelon now served as my water. And watermelon contains about 97% of water, so it fits this recipe. It fits any other juice recipe should you want volume or you want water. Instead of you pouring water, let your watermelon serve as water. It's very healthy. It has lycopene. It's also very, very good for the heart. It helps to control blood pressure. So it's a win-win. So you can see that, just imagine what watermelon gave me, just watermelon alone. And that is even less than a quarter of a watermelon. You understand? So this helped me and gave me quite volume enough for my husband and I to enjoy. Okay, now I finished juicing, and just to pour into my glass cup, I have to say this here. Lemon is very good as it serves as preservative, the vitamin C, but if you have stomach ulcer, please avoid adding lemon to your juices, any type of recipe. Once lemon is involved, avoid it. If not, it's going to give you serious dyspepsia. It's going to cause serious heartburn. Now this is me adding mint leaf to my drink. It gives it flavor, and mint leaf also have amazing benefits. So back to lemon. Avoid lemon in your juice if you have stomach ulcer. And again, please rinse your mouth thoroughly after taking this juice or any other juice that contains lemon. Else you're going to have tooth sensitivity, and you might not recover from it for days. So please learn to rinse your mouth. Thank you for watching. Bye.